Hey guys, Cowboys Gaming here. My one of my last challenge videos ever. We're gonna make this challenge up today. As you can see, probably can't quite see it properly. It's raining.
And we're gonna try to get stuck by lightning. You know?
Lightning.
Stuck by lightning. Struck by lightning.
Struck by the motherfucking lightning.
Get hailed on. It's gonna be fun.
Yeah, the weather looks pretty bad and sounds pretty good. So
So we're gonna go have a sunbake. Let's go.
Go have a sunbake.
Yeah.
Chuck the towels out in the lawn and
Yeah.
we'll record. Enjoy, y'all.
Right on.
Hey guys. So this is the weather challenge. Like, subscribe, comment, and enjoy.
Oh, dude, that's horrible. This is so bad. I can't see.
Just so as you guys know, apparently it's pouring downtown.
Oh, sweet.
The swag lords recording themselves. Ow! Check this fan, it's falling down.
I'll be in here tomorrow, you know?
Get inside now! Computer's off, everything off, TV off. Luke, we're turning your computer off, okay?
Okay.
And unplugging it.
I'm gonna be Calvin. That was so close. I'll swear
And the TV.
I'm out. I'm out.
No, come inside, both of you.
He's a pussy. Luke. Oh well, you bailed.
I bailed.
I won.